In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop or how you can cut off notifications from your Reddit. So if you are getting a lot of notification from your Reddit on your email or on your mobile phone, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop all that. It's very much simple and easy. In my previous video, I showed you guys how you can do that on Quora. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and you can check that tutorial on my channel. So now let's do this. It's simple and easy. Tap on this like this here, move to your settings. Good. So on our settings, we just move to our account here. Good. So on our account, let's scroll here, scroll. Simple. Let's move to our notifications, and we can even manage our emails too as well, something like that. The notifications, you can see all this has been turned on, so you need to turn all of them off. You get it. Trending posts, you can get it in your email. You just tap on that, you turn it off. Just turn it off. That's it. Anything you want to turn off, just turn it off like that. So let's say you're getting a lot of mentions. You posted something and you're getting a lot of mentions, and it's flooding your email or your mobile phone notification, push notification. All you need to do is just come on here, tap on your mentions here, just turn it off. So it depends on what you are getting notifications on. You just come on here, just turn it off like that, and you're good to go. So this is how you can manage your notifications you get on your email or push notifications from Reddit. That's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.